Bakalia English Medium High School was established in the year 1994 under the initiative of Karbi Anglo Autonomous Council, and today the school had marked the milestone of achieving 25 years of service since the establishment. Torsing Ronghang, MLA, attended as the chief guest of the event. Richard Togby, EMKAAC, Madhuram Lekthe, EMKAAC, Ajit Kumar Dey, Deputy Chairman, Principal and teachers attended as the guests of the event. Torsing Ronghang, MLA, while addressing his speech, said, due to the excellent principal and excellent teaching by the teachers at Bakalia English Medium High School, many alumni had brought laurels to the school. Richard Togby, EMKAAC, while addressing his speech, expressed his gratitude for having him as a guest of the Silver Jubilee celebration because the students of Bakalia English Medium High School are talented and smart. A memorandum was also submitted to KAAC on the occasion. The points highlighted at the memorandum includes examination hall, open stage, introduction of science and art streams at the school. The assurance were given for implementation of all the points mentioned at the memorandum would be done very soon in the days to come. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.